Hi friends, this is Dr. Abdegam Chimthanawala. Today let us understand one of the very important remedies that you know that remedy, but its symptoms are so important to understand though we only use that remedy for injury purpose and all, but it has some symptoms which are very important and which are very have a specific indication for that remedy. I am talking about the remedy called calendula. Yes. Now, in calendula, you must have read lots of thing about the injury part, like complaints from injury, blows, falls, bruises, concussion, extravasation of blood, rupture of muscles, rupture of tendons, bone fractures, compound fractures, wounds are slow in repair, pain with there's great nerve pain after the injury, or you can say contusion to the soft part, bruises in the tendons, pain in the tendons. So many symptoms and so many indications related to injury. And normally, most of us use calendula for these type of complaints, and we get different good results. But there are few symptoms in calendula that you should remember because it becomes a very important prescribing symptom for calendula apart from this injury also. For example, I would like to tell you one symptom that जभी भी मतलब whenever the patient of calendula is wakes up because of some noise, कोई आवाज कर रहा है, somebody is shouting, some horn is blowing, or some function is going on, and there is a lot of sound and there is a lot of noises, and when the patient is aroused, the patient suffers from irritability. It's a beautiful symptom written in a Mater irritability, sleep aggravation during aroused by noises. So whenever he is aroused because of noises from sleep in calendula, he becomes irritable. Of course, you have to compare this with the remedy. Of course, thuja is there, caladium is also there. But calendula is also a very important remedy in these complaints. As you go further, the calendula patient is very morose, morose, थक जाता है, is so morose, especially with chill. Morose is a very important symptom of calendula that is present in lot many of remedies. But with chill, that is a very important symptom of calendula. Morose with chill, or you can have morose with sleepiness. A calendula patient says, for example, a person is appearing for an entrance exam. He failed, tried once, tried twice, tried thrice. For 3 years, for 2 years, he continues studying that, but there is no he's not able to clear the exam. He becomes dull and absolutely morose with sleepiness. Then you have to think about the remedy calendula. A very important remedy calendula, where there's moroseness. The patient is morose with sleepiness. So this is related to the mind symptom of calendula. As you go further, there is one symptom of headache, and that headache of symptom of calendula is very important, and that is piercing, penetrating headache. Piercing and penetrating pain in the head, that's a very important symptom of calendula headache. That you have to remember, because most of the time we have lots of remedy for these type of complaints, but if the symptoms matches, then calendula works very well. In calendula, there's one symptom of ear that you have to write down in your material, that is there's acuteness of sound. Acuteness means if the horn is blowing from a distance, a calendula patient can hear that. Acuteness of sound, वो बहुत दूर का sound भी सुन सकता है, बहुत mild sound, बहुत soft sound भी रहेगा. If there is a soft sound, he can hear that sound. That is called acuteness of sound, a very important symptom of calendula. Of course, there is one more remedy which has the same complaint, that is nux mosquita. So this is a very important indication of calendula also, acuteness of sound. And one symptom of hearing, that there's impaired hearing. In books it is written impaired hearing while riding in a train. When the patient comes and if he's in the local train, there's a lot of noise of the train. A patient says, I cannot hear anything. So impaired hearing in traveling in train, that is a very important indication of calendula, and that you will get these symptoms from the patient, because this is a very precise and a very specific indication of calendula here. Then as you go further, a calendula patient has a lot of tartar on the teeth, and that is also a very important indication of calendula. ask the patient that if there is tartar on the teeth, you have to, of course, there are a lot of remedies, but calendula is one of the very important remedies I have used in my practice. Sometimes you can ask if there's a lot of tartar and no other symptoms in the patient, just I have told patient to take calendula, mother tincture, apply on the cotton and just clean the teeth and tartar goes off. Of course, you have to think about remedies like arsenic is there, like thuja is there, mercury is there, but calendula is also very, very important indication of tartar on teeth. Next symptom of the hiccough. Now, in calendula, it is so important that the hiccough in the patient while smoking. Whenever the patient is smoking, he gets hiccough. That's an important indication of calendula, or you can say hiccough after smoking. Now, whenever there is hiccough after smoking, of course, first you have to think about ignitia or antimicrote or calcarea, but calendula, my dear friends, is also a very, very important indication, that is hiccough after smoking or hiccough while smoking. These are the very, very important indication of calendula related to stomach. One more symptom related to stools of calendula that you should remember, and it is a very, very, in fact, a very, very important, a single marking remedy is given in calendula. That is, color of the stool is white, chalk-like, curdled stools, ऐसी दही के समान stools. The most important symptom written in a mathematics is chalk-like stools. Chalk-like stools of calendula is a very, very important indication of calendula, because this, if you get these symptoms, you normally prescribe a lot other remedies, but curdled stools, chalk-like, it is written in Mathematica, that is 3 marking symptom of calendula. But my dear friends, always remember, curdled stool is also calendula. Now, as you go further in calendula, some symptom related to fever that you have to remember in calendula. And the first thing is that in calendula, fever and there's shivering when the patient is drinking. The patient wants to drinks water and the shivering starts. My dear friends, if you have no other indication of remedy, then you have to think about calendula. Shivering from drinking. Shivering, the patient shivers actually from drinking. Of course, there are remedies like capsicum is there, nux vomica is there, Eupytorum perf is there, and if you fail in this prescription and you don't know what to do, you must think about calendula. It's a very, very important indication of calendula, that is shivering from drinking, or you can say shivering from drinking cold water. That is also calendula. That's also calendula. So these are very, very important indication of calendula related to the shivering. And of course, you have to remember fever. Whenever there is injury and the patient gets fever, you have to think about calendula. So fever from injury, you have remedies like arnica, you have arsenic, we have china, nitric acid, rust ox. But if the symptoms correspond, you have to think about calendula. Now, which symptoms? Again, in calendula, you have to have the creeping chilliness is there. The creeping chilliness, I see, and the patient will have that creeping chilliness, especially in the afternoon, and that becomes a very, very important indication of calendula. So my dear friends, these are the very, very important symptoms in fever, because if you use only this remedy for just injuries to tendons, to muscles, and contusion, extraction of blood, it will act. But these symptoms are such an important symptom of calendula. As we go further, the stools part, the hiccough part of calendula is very, very important. And it is very important to understand these symptoms, because whenever we are prescribing polycrest or the remedy fails, then we look at these remedies, the lesser known remedies in these symptoms, and then we get very good results. So my dear friends, this was in short something related to calendula, which I have seen in my practice. You also can use this remedy and you will definitely get good results. So my dear friends, if you like this video, do share and subscribe. Thank you.